Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. We will learn demonstrating that leaf transpire. So in this lesson, we will learn that water circulates through the plants and it lost to the air by transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration is the process where plants lose water through their leaf. Water and dissolved nutrients are taken up by the roots and will travel up to the other parts of plant through the stem and will go up to the leaf. So the unused water will be evaporated from the leaf surface. So that is transpiration. What actually the function of transpiration? So there are two functions of transpiration. The first one, transpiration will get rid of the excess water, and also it helps to cool up the plant, same like human. We also sweating. Why do plant needs to get rid of water? So water is important to transport the nutrients to the other parts of plant, and also some of the water that being absorbed by the roots being used for the photosynthesis. So usually there will be more water come into the plants. So the leaf must lose some water. The way to lose the water is from transpiration. So here is the picture of what happening if there is no transpiration happen in the plant. So water will be abundant on the soil and also on the leaf, where it will break the structure of the roots and also plant. How does the transpiration happen? The transpiration happen through a special structure called stomata. So behind leaf there's a lot of stomata, a small opening underside the leaf, and this is where all the excess water come out from the leaf. Okay, after that we will see how is the process of transpiration happen naturally. Here is the setup of the experiment, where you need a plant, a jar that can cover the plant, and also aluminium foil, and also light or sunlight. So as you know, transpiration will only happen if there is a light for that to evaporate. Next, we will use a aluminium foil to cover the soil, because we don't want the water evaporate from the soil. We want to see only the leaf transpiration. So here you can also use a plastic to cover it. Next, take the jar and then cover the plant. Okay, so we want to see the transpiration happen on the jar. So I make a timer. We will check every 30 minutes. Okay, it's already 30 minutes. So let's see what can we find on the jar. So from here you can see a water vapor stick on the jar. So let's wait for another 30 minutes to see what will happen next. Okay, it's almost 1 hour. So this is what happened after 1 hour. There are water vapor on the jar. You see the water, that's quite a lot. So here transpiration has happened from this plant, and you can see it clearly from the jar. From here we can conclude that transpiration happened on the leaf, where when the excess water come out from the stomata and release through the leaf. Okay, thank you.